Increasing longevity and promoting a healthy lifespan involves adopting various lifestyle practices and habits that support overall well-being. Here are several ways to increase your longevity. Healthy diet. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Reduce intake of processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats. A diet high in antioxidants and nutrients supports immune function and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Regular exercise. Engage in regular physical activity, aiming for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity, such as brisk walking, or 75 minutes of vigorous-intensity activity, like running per week. Incorporate strength training exercises to maintain muscle mass and bone density. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight or obese increases the risk of developing various health conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Maintain a healthy weight through a combination of diet and exercise. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Smoking significantly reduces life expectancy and increases the risk of many diseases. Limit alcohol consumption to moderate levels, as excessive alcohol intake can lead to liver disease, cardiovascular problems, and other health issues. Manage stress. Chronic stress can contribute to a range of health problems, including heart disease, depression, and impaired immune function. Practice stress reduction techniques such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or hobbies that you enjoy. Regular health checkups. Schedule regular visits with your healthcare provider for preventive screenings and vaccinations. Early detection and treatment of health conditions can improve outcomes and prevent complications. Quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Poor sleep quality and duration have been linked to increased risk of obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. Stay socially connected. Maintain strong social connections with friends, family, and community groups. Social support and engagement can reduce stress, boost mental health, and contribute to overall well-being. Cognitive stimulation. Keep your brain active with activities that challenge your mind, such as reading, puzzles, learning new skills, or engaging in hobbies that require mental effort. Positive outlook. Cultivate a positive attitude and outlook on life. Studies suggest that optimism and a sense of purpose are associated with better health outcomes and longevity. By incorporating these practices into your lifestyle, you can enhance your overall health, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and potentially increase your longevity and quality of life.